My dear friends, this is Commander Sudhir Kumar from my YouTube channel Commander Strikes. On the onset, I would like to convey my heartiest congratulations to Arnav Goswami and Team Republic for an initiative which has been started by him, that is Positive Influencer. I am sure this initiative or program by Republic will definitely motivate, encourage our budding youth, and not only budding youth but the entire population which is keen to create the contents. Those are having repositories, very rich knowledge in various aspects of any sphere of life. That could be defense, that could be science and technology, that could be art, that could be culture, that could be history, that could be tourism, that could be biodiversity, that could be environment protection, climate change, nuclear technology, nanotechnology, quantum technology, robotics, that is drones, UAVs, and many more such areas could be covered by them. And that Arnab at his campus of Republic Campus, which is a huge campus which is having the world class developmental facilities to support such kind of contents. And these contents, the positive contents, will push our generation who likes the positive contents, sort of a limitless connectivity to the pursuit and the grand vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji towards a Viksit Bharat by 2047. It is indeed a commendable job, and it's an initiative which is going to push across boundaries. It's going to touch the heights which has never been scaled by such positive creators, and all the rubbish which was coming through YouTubers on the OTT platforms and things like that now it will get converted into like positive thoughts and positive creativity on through this medium. So I once again a very very heartiest congratulations to Arnav Goswami and Team Republic for this initiative. I am looking forward to it. If I can contribute in this initiative, I'll be happily, contributing. It's indeed an amazing start, or I can say that is a thought process that will cultivate a culture that Indians can contribute in content creation globally. We could be the competitive, like in all the fields, all the spheres, which is so much needed today. Lot of people promote lot of pessimism, lot of negativity. They spread wrong information from nation. And the Arnav Goswami motto, the Team Republic motto is simple: Rashtra Pratham, keep nation before self. And that kind of an pursuit, definitely the lakhs and lakhs these positive thought creators, the content creators, will contribute towards a productive India, more productive India, and it will take our nation to become a Viksit Bharat by 2047. But before that, a self-reliant nation. That is the ambition, that is the uh, initiative, and that is the objective of this initiative what Arnab has planned. And definitely it is going to push the thought process or our honorable Prime Minister, who is not only the most popular leader in India but in the entire world. This will definitely encourage our youths and all the positive content creators, as they will be facilitated with the best of the state of art things which are available in headquarters of Republic in Noida. And all the best. It's all around positive. It's so much of positivity, so much of happiness, so much of reservoir of knowledge, wealth, wisdom, which is going to be shared. I am sure Arnav is going to be an amazing platform where the boundaries, endless boundaries, as you said, limitless positivity which is going to flow in making this nation what it deserves. The entire civilizational asset value system, our Sanatan Dharma and Hindu Dharma, all philosophies and everything will be put across. So, all the best. It's indeed, I get, a lot of pride in it that you are pushing that nationalistic agenda right from the front and, putting nation first before self, and that is the motto of entire even republic team. Keep the nation first in your reporting. You have changed the paradigm of the journalism, the reporting, the kind of an positivity you have given to the thinking, to the news making. It is amazing. And this new initiative, which is such an innovative idea, and it came your interaction with the Honorable Prime Minister last time when you had a summit where the influencers were meeting, and now you have taken forward so fast. So it's amazing. And let's create the republic world of that positive creativity for the nation. My dear friend Arnab Goswami, I salute your efforts and keep it up. You and the republic team, all the best. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.